Hey, thanks for taking a quick look here. I wanted to do a real short video talking about your Facebook page here, the potential for a website, and how that can bring new business into your cleaning company, even with all the craziness that's going on right now. So first things first, I believe, and I could be wrong here, that you just have this Facebook page, but no separate website, which a lot of companies choose to do that. But wanted to talk a little bit about the difference between how this works and how your own website can work to bring in new business. Okay, so if we were to, for instance, let's go look at a Google search of Johns Creek house cleaning. All right, so these companies right here that show up in this top map listing, these are going to be the companies that are going to get the vast majority of phone calls, clicks to their website, and inquiries from a contact form of anybody. And then these ones that show up in this top part here likely will have their website on this first page. Okay, so there's a couple things to think about when building a website to get it ranked up here. I can go into much more detail, but on a high level, it's the content on the page, it's the number of links that are coming to you from elsewhere around the web, but then also it's about the competition. So these companies right here are not very well optimized. Their websites don't show up on the first page. Their websites don't have a lot of content. And this is an area where we could absolutely rank a map listing and a website to bring in new business for you. As an example, if we look at a Google search for Peachtree Corners house cleaning, this Peachtree Corners House Cleaning Pros is a site that I've just built. Okay, this is one of the things that we do is we build our own sites that generate leads, and we traffic those leads to some of our clients. So this one is one that we built and is already bringing in leads. Right here is the website that goes along with it. Okay, so this is the website that we built, and it is already up here on the top, and it's bringing in leads. And like I said, it's the content on the page, which here Google likes to see about 1,500 words. All right, so there's lots of information here. A lot of opportunities for Google to find some words that match with what people are searching. Okay, so again, there's opportunity in the area that you are servicing to really rank well very quickly and start bringing in some leads. So it's been 3 minutes. I don't want to take any more of your time, but would love to schedule some time to answer any questions you have. Be happy to just give you some things that you can do on your own to generate some new business. But then also, if you have any questions about what it takes to get a site up and how we can really quickly get you ranking up there and generating some new business, would love to talk to you about that. There'll be a link to book a call if you'd like in the description of this video, and then also in the email that I send you. Thanks a lot.